Well, that's an amazing amount of innovation, and Parker and his team deserve a hearty congratulations and thank you for everything that they have done to create everything that you're going to see here at Dreamforce. Now, to explain all the things that we're doing, because we've got a lot going on, because that customer success platform, it's got sales in it, and service, and marketing, and apps, and analytics, and community, and the Internet of Things. Well, what we want to do is we want to show you 3 stories. I want to talk to you about 3 customers and what they're doing. And the first customer that we're going to talk about today is Microsoft and what they're doing with Salesforce products to connect with their customers in a whole new way. Then we're going to talk to Cisco, and we're going to talk to Western Union. This is when the keynote gets super exciting because you get to see the integration between innovation and the customer experience. And you're going to find a lot of little surprises inside these amazing stories. Now, the Salesforce and Microsoft partnership has been just beyond our expectations. We've deeply integrated all of our products. We're unified in a way that we could never have experienced before. And to really explain it to you, we've put together a film that tells the story of Salesforce and Microsoft and the new IoT Cloud with Thunder and what they're doing to connect with their customers in a whole new way. Let's take a look.
For Microsoft, our mission is to empower every individual and every organization on the planet to achieve more. We have a lot of computing power. It's everywhere. It's ubiquitous. We have lots of data. But really what's scarce is time and the ability to gain insights. And when I think about realizing that mission, a partnership like the one that we have with Salesforce really brings together great things for our mutual customers.
Every day, millions of people log into Salesforce and Microsoft Office to do their jobs. Salesforce and Microsoft have been working now for several years on building an incredible relationship together. And this partnership is really effortless. But what we couldn't have ever imagined was when we built our incredible new platform, Lightning, that we'd be able to integrate all of Microsoft services right inside it.
It's just really exciting. I mean, I look at what we're doing between Skype for Business and Salesforce, what we're doing between OneNote and Salesforce, Outlook and Salesforce, Delve and the Office Graph, all of the touch points that we have. I think that depth and breadth of what the teams have done shows how these 2 companies can come together.
There's never been a more important time to connect with your customers in a whole new way. That's why there's so much magic around the Salesforce IoT Cloud and Thunder.
So the IoT Cloud is powered on our platform, the Thunder platform. It basically can collect and assemble big data, let you build extraordinarily smart rules about what to do, and use all of Salesforce's clouds and do it in real time. The moment someone uses your product, you need to manage that process. How do you make sure they onboard correctly? If they are onboarded, how do you make sure they're having an optimal experience and they don't start to withdraw? If they do start to withdraw, how do you win them back?
One of the awesome things about the collaboration is the ability to take data real time from Azure and the Event Hub to connect into Thunder and the Marketing Cloud to allow marketing teams then to work in real time, move from sort of reactive analytics to predictive analytics to do this in line with the marketing work that they want to do.
This is a great example. What we're seeing is how 2 amazing companies have been able to come together. Salesforce and Microsoft customers want our applications to work closely together.
This is part of the technology we use when we think about our go-to-market efforts in that customer journey for Office 365. And so that ability to use Azure and the Event Hub to feed Thunder and the Marketing Cloud is incredibly powerful.
Another exciting thing about our partnership is our Marketing Cloud has always been built on Microsoft technology. In fact, it runs on the SQL Server database today, and we are working now on moving parts of it on the Azure Cloud.
And I love Windows 10, I'm using it myself. And now, with Lightning, it runs on Windows 10, Salesforce One runs on Windows 10, and even the Salesforce IoT Cloud with Thunder is running on Windows 10.
All those deliverables we've been building over the last past 12 months between Microsoft and Salesforce are driven by our customer vision. And what we hear our joint customers telling us is they want stronger, deeper integration between Salesforce and Microsoft. And that's really what this partnership delivered.
So I think partnerships like this all enable us to be able to really make sure that the people using our services are able to get more done. They are more empowered to get more done and gain the insights to take action, because that's what ultimately their goal is.
That's why our partnership with Microsoft is all about putting our customers and our users first. They're able to connect with their customers in a way that they've never been able to do before. And you know that's what Salesforce is all about.
creating a whole new type of customer success.
Well, please welcome the chairman of Microsoft, John Thompson. Welcome, John. Great to have you here.
Nice to be here.
John, I am so happy that you are here. We have been friends for over 20 years. We have worked on so many exciting things together. First of all, let me thank you for Microsoft being the launch customer for our IoT Cloud and Thunder. We could never have imagined it. And most people in this room could never have imagined it also. But, John, you're an incredible visionary of our industry. You have called it right way more than anyone else. Can you give us your vision for the future? Tell us, what should we all be paying attention here to, and what's your dream going forward?
Well, Marc tells the story of the cloud. The reality is he and I met 23 years ago when he was at Oracle and I was at IBM. As a matter of fact, the PC revolution was just starting at that time. And one of the amazing things that's happened over the years is that with each inflection point in the industry, more and more users and more services are available. And I think as we make this transition to an IoT-based cloud, once again, more and more data, and therefore the opportunity for more and more services will become even more available. Case in point, imagine waking up as a salesman, as I've been my entire life, looking at your Windows phone, only to realize in your phone that when you turn on your car, it can tell you not just about the appointments that you have that day, but latest news about the customers that you're going to interact with, about situations or opportunities that you may not have even imagined, because it's all automatic because of the analytics that can be applied across your calendar and all of the things that are going on in your life. Neither you nor I could have imagined that 23 years ago when we first met, nor could we have imagined it before the availability of mobile devices in so many people's hands and cloud services to so many people around the world. So I think the real opportunity ahead is to change the lives of people everywhere on the planet. And that's because we will make the ubiquity of computing available to everyone through mobile devices and cloud-based services. That will change the wealth of this planet, and that will change the opportunity for every individual on the planet itself to participate in this great future of ours. I am so proud of what's happened to your company and, quite frankly, to Microsoft, and I'm delighted to be a part of the team here, if you will.
Well, John, we couldn't be happier to have you here, and thank you personally for everything that you've done, and welcome to Dreamforce.
It's my first Dreamforce, and it won't be my last.
All right. Please thank John Thompson.